umbrella. What have you done there? You're so black. Maybe tricycle. No, it's fine. Now changing some money. The pound is at 58. Before Brexit, it was at 69. Then the next day, after the vote, he went down to 60 and now he's at 68, which is really fucking annoying. But anyway, then now we're gonna something in there. Now we're on our way to hospital. My wife is, there's nothing important, she's just doing a general checkup. Because we couldn't do it in London. You need to have 40 years old and then you get a free general checkup. Otherwise you can. There's something silly about it. Wife is in the clinic. I'm going to the motorcycle shop. Double check. Just in the corner. So at first I wanted to buy this. Then I wanted to buy this. End up going, I think I'm gonna just go buy this. So it's smaller. I think it's faster. I'm not sure, but it's much smaller, much more easy for traffic, and much easier to put it home too. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. Basically it's a moped, 150cc. And yeah, I'm gonna get this, I think. I just really need to get my license, basically. That's why actually pissing me off the more is not having a bike. So I will work it out. You know what the best thing about that is, when you buy this bike, you actually get a helmet, a jacket, an action cam camera. The perfect motovlogger setup. So yeah, I decided to buy the Radar 150. I actually first wanted to buy the NS200. Then look at it, I was like, it's too big. Let's just buy a Jigsaw 150, but it's big too. And I'm just gonna go with the Red 150, and then it's just more convenient for me because I want to put a box at the back, and also don't have that much space in the house to put the bike I don't want to leave it overnight outside. Even we are living in a how do you call it? Subdivision. Shit. So even if it's close, I just don't want to leave it outside. And I think into the traffic, it would be much It would be much more easy in traffic to get around and filter compared to a Jigsaw or NS200. Yes, it might be a bit slower. I'm not even sure of that compared to the Jigsaw. Might be a bit slower, but fuck me, it's fucking tricycle. But I just want something convenient and not fast. And you know how the Philippine traffic is anyway. It doesn't really matter to have a big bike or no here, because at the end you're still stuck in traffic, and the fastest you have, not the fastest you go, but you got more temptation to, you know, like this basically. And yeah, it's not really good if you go too fast. Anyway, I'll go with the radar and we will see. Thank you for watching, guys. Tomorrow I'll try to make it more. Oh no, fuck. Tomorrow I'm going to my trial. It's a Wednesday tomorrow, so I'm going for my trial. Hopefully, finger crossed, I can get a job tomorrow. Otherwise, I will just not talk to you at all and not telling you how it went. No, I'm joking. Yeah, so hopefully the job work. Otherwise I get something else. Thank you for watching, guys. That's where they get the shabu, yeah? Mani Pacquiao.
Your moves, but they don't ever ever do it that tastefully. They can imitate you. Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my